To clean or replace the air filter on your Sportsman 570, follow these steps. Place the transmission in park. Lock the parking brake. Remove the seat by lifting straight up on the rear of the seat and sliding the seat toward the rear of the vehicle. Clean the area around the air filter cover. Release the airbox cover clamps and the airbox cover. Use a 6mm socket or flat blade screwdriver to loosen the clamp and remove the air filter. Remove the pre-filter from the air filter and inspect the pre-filter. Inspect the main filter and replace if necessary. Clean the pre-filter with soapy water and let air dry. Notice, if the filter has been soaked with fuel or oil, it must be replaced. Do not attempt to clean the air filter. Install the pre-filter onto the main filter. Be sure the screen covers the entire surface of the main filter without folds, creases, or gaps. Wipe down the airbox. Install the main filter in the airbox and ensure it is fully seated. The filter should rest on the filter supports. Proper placement of the air filter is important to prevent rattles and air leaks. Notice, use of a non-Polaris approved air filter may cause engine damage. Always use a Polaris approved replacement filter. Replacement filters are available at your Polaris dealer. In dusty conditions, air filter replacement will be required more often. Tighten the clamp using a 6mm socket and torque to specification. Inspect the cover seal and replace if necessary. Install the airbox cover and reinstall the airbox cover clamps. Reinstall the seat. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.